Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today again I'm going to explain about Code Cloud Free Live, and this is day 26. So okay, it's a Azure Cloud. So let me quickly show you what is the day 6 task, day 26. Okay, this one. So this is the Azure cloud. We have already completed till day 25, and this is the day 26. So deploy virtual machines in a public virtual network. Okay, so how we can create a public virtual network and public subnet, and then we can launch a one virtual machine. So I have already this is actually the task. If you want to see like that, so here we have to just create a one public virtual network and a public virtual subnet, and we will just launch a one VMs on the public uh, virtual network. All right, so I have already logged in, and let me go to the quickly on the virtual network part. Okay, so I have already created this virtual network, but let me explain. This is our virtual network name. So how you can create like that? So you have to just click on the create. I will not create, and everything is selected here. You have to just put the name, whatever the name required. Like I'm just giving here demo because I already put it there, or we can just copy this one and put here. It will ask it's already available. All right, now click on next. The region is perfectly fine, and click on the next. And here is the most important part. So this this is the BPC section. So you have to just select this range /16, but here is the default subnet, but we have to delete this one default subnet. We have to just create a custom subnet, the public subnet name should be this one. Okay, subnet this one. So we will put here in the default section subnet this one, and we can take a range here like 10.0.1.0 or 2.0. Let me take 2.0. Okay, so it will, and private subnet net you have to uncheck this one. So once you uncheck this one, this will be made as a public subnet. Okay, and that's it. So you have to just click add. So you can see here your subnet name or range whatever, and just click next, and nothing else. And this will be passed because the final validation should be filled, because it's all right, but it will not create because the same name of our uh, uh, VNet is also available. So just you have to create it. So in my case, I have already created this one. So I just explain the things. Now we have to launch the virtual machine. So let me show you the exact virtual machine, how we can launch a virtual machines. So let me quickly copy the virtual machine name, this one. So when we launch the virtual machines, we have to just open the SSH port 2022. Okay, so all right, so we will select here the existing resource group, give the name, sorry, and the virtual machine name, the region. You have to just match the region, like the virtual machine region and the virtual network region should be same. Okay, and the availability zone, because you can select virtual machine scale network, because this will be created in the US East 1 region. This will be the zone is not available sometime I check, so will provide. And the virtual subnet skill set I have already created. If you don't have, just click on and just put the default value, so it will be create. Okay, so this will be also create. Everything is fine. This is the default, and the disk size should be standard B1S. You can select it. All right, and the key pair should be same. Okay, key pair name pair must be unique and content. Okay, so maybe this will be take no. So let me quick. Okay, so because I tried some time back, so it is checking. No worries, keep your name, it doesn't matter, you can give any name. Click on the next. This will be go through the disk. So the by default disk is creating 30 GB, but just uh, 30 GB will not be held, it will be filled the virtual machine. So either select 64 GB disk or 128. So I'm selecting 128. And the premium SSD, you can select the standard SSD, so the costing will be low. All right, go to the networking part. Okay, so here you have to just select the virtual network name whatever you created. So it's already taken the virtual network name. I created a notless pub vnet. And the subnet whatever you created, so we have created notless subnet. And range, my range is 10.0.1 dot slash 0 slash 24. And you can select whatever you want. Okay, the public IP, it's default, there's no issue. Subnet inbound rule 22 is open, that's also fine. All right, so nothing else here. Okay, monitoring part, nothing. Nothing advanced, nothing. And just you can review and create. So let me check and make sure the disk size should not be 30 GB. If you will be select the 30 GB, it will be create an issue, the machines will be not be running stage. Okay, so the final validation is passed. Everything is okay, you can find it out here. Our VM name is this one. What about the virtual network? Okay, the VNet is fine, subnet is also fine, that's good. Let's create. We'll wait. So download the key pairs. Okay, this is download. Return to create a virtual machine. So this will be start creating a virtual machines. Okay, so the process is initialized. So make sure it should be properly, the region and the virtual network or everything should be matched. Okay, and make sure the region and disk size should be 64 GB or 128 GB. Okay, 30 GB will not help. So let's check. So this way, if someone you ask like just create a own virtual network like public virtual network, public subnet, and launch a public VMs inside that virtual network. So this is the way you can create as a type of engineer or cloud engineer. Okay, so this is like a good way to you can like practice. Okay, so this is created. And let me go to the resource and will show you. Yeah, see, this is my VM name. And the virtual network part, this is my virtual network and this is my subnet. All right, so that's it for day 26. This is completed. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe my channel and comment if anything any